Good morning. Welcome to IRS online classes. And this now you are in class 6. I'm going to explain you English first. Now open your book, page number 33. Children, open your book, page number 33, lesson 3, Taro's reward. Now paragraph 11. We have been tricked, shouted the villagers. Where is Taro? Let us drown him in the waterfall. But Taro had been wise enough to slip behind a rock when he saw how things were going. He was nowhere to be found. Muttering their anger, now paragraph number 12, muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. Taro came out from his hiding place. Was it true? He wondered. Was the snake a dream? Once more he caught a little liquid in his hand and put it to his lips. It was the same fine shake. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious shake. To everyone else, it gave only cold water. Now, explanation of paragraph number 11. Just look here, we have been tricked. In last story, I told you that when the villagers started to taste that water from coming from waterfall, it was not giving the taste of shake, it was giving the taste of cold water only. So one person started to cry, one person started to shout. एक व्यक्ति ने चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया कि it is not, we have been deceived, we have been tricked, हमें छला गया है, हमारे साथ धोखा हुआ है. It is not the shake, it is just cold water. So he shouted that we have been tricked. हमारे साथ छल हुआ है, हमारे साथ चाल खेली गई है. Now shouted the villagers. All the villagers started to shout that we have been tricked. Where is Taro? Now they started to shout that where is Taro? Just find the Taro. Find Taro. Taro को ढूंढो. कहाँ गया Taro? Let us drown him in the waterfall. Now all were angry. All were very angry. बहुत नाराज थे, बहुत गुस्सा थे, and they started to shout that just find Taro and let us drown means डुबा देना in the waterfall. पकड़ो उसे, just catch him and drown in the waterfall. उसे पकड़ो और इस waterfall में डुबा दो. But Taro had been wise enough to slip behind a rock. Taro was standing at the back. At last, सबसे बाद में पहुंचा था. He reached there at last because all the villagers have reached earlier. सारे villagers पहले पहुंच चुके थे, वो सबसे बाद में पहुंचा हुआ था. So he was standing at the back, but when he saw all the scene, जब उसने पूरा दृश्य देखा, पूरी चीज़ें, सारा इंसिडेंट उसके समझ में आ गया, तो he was wise enough, बहुत बुद्धिमान था. And he slipped down behind the rock, और एक चट्टान के पीछे जाकर, एक रॉक के पीछे जाकर छिप जाता है. He saw how the things were going. When he saw how the things were going on, जब उसने देखा कि चीज़ें कैसे हो रही हैं, क्या हो रहा है, तो वो एक चट्टान के पीछे जाकर छिप जाता है. He was nowhere to be found. Means all the villagers started to search him. They searched here and there, but Taro was not there. He was just hiding behind the rock. किसी ने कोई उसे ढूंढ नहीं पाया. Now paragraph number 12. Muttering their anger and disappointment. Muttering, बड़बड़ाना. Speaking slowly. That is not clear. Muttering with anger and disappointment. गुस्से और निराशा के साथ बड़बड़ाते हुए सारे villagers, all the villagers were muttering, making a sound, chattering. वो चिल्ला रहे थे, बोल रहे थे, but that was not clear voice. No clear voice was coming out from their mouth. क्या बोल रहे थे वो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था, एक भीड़ की आवाज़ आ रही थी. तो with anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. One by one, where they could not find Taro, they left the place one by one. एक एक करके उन्होंने उस जगह को छोड़ दिया, वे अपने घर की तरफ चले गए. Taro came out from the hiding place. You can say कि when all the people went from there, जब सारे लोग वहाँ से चले गए, all the villagers went from, means left that place, जब सभी लोगों ने उस जगह को छोड़ दिया, तारो came out from his hiding place. अपने छिपने वाले स्थान से तारो निकलकर बाहर आता है. He came out, बाहर आया. Was it true? He wondered. Was it true? Now Taro was also wondered, surprised. वह भी आश्चर्यचकित था कि was it true? क्या ये सही था? The waterfall is not giving the shake. या shake is not coming down from waterfall. The cold water is coming down because Taro was honest boy. वो एक ईमानदार लड़का था, honest था. He told the truth to all the villagers. उसने बिल्कुल सही बात सारे villagers को बताई थी. कि हाँ शेक गिर रहा है वाटरफॉल से, उसे भरोसा नहीं हो रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट इन सिचुएशन टू बिलीव दैट वर्ड्स या दोज वर्ड्स द विलेजर्स वर शाउटिंग. जो वो विलेजर्स चिल्ला रहे थे, बोल रहे थे, उन बातों पर भरोसा नहीं हो पा रहा था उसे. तो ही वॉज आस्किंग हिमसेल्फ, खुद से पूछ रहा था कि वाज इट ट्रू, क्या ये सही था. द विलेजर्स आर सेइंग, व्हाटएवर द विलेजर्स वर सेइंग, शाउटिंग, वाज दैट ट्रू, क्या वो सही था. ही वॉन्डर्ड, ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड, आश्चर्यचकित था. खुद से पूछता है, was the shake a dream? When I tasted last day, means yesterday, the water of waterfall, so it was just giving the taste of shake and I gave that shake to all the villagers. तो कह रहा है कि was that shake a dream? क्या वो शेक, जो शेक मैंने पिया था, सारे लोगों को पिलाया था, क्या वो स्वप्न था, सपना था? That was not true. Once more he caught the little liquid in his hand. Once more he also wanted to make it confirm, वो भी confirm करना चाहता था इस बात को. So he once again caught means took the water coming from waterfall in his palm, in his hand. अपने हाथों में एक बार फिर उसने उस पानी को भरा, वाटरफॉल के पानी को भरा. That was in the form of shake, जो शेक के पोजीशन में था. तो he just caught the little water in his hand and put it to his lips and tasted it. और उसे फिर से टेस्ट करने लगा, उसको टेस्ट करने लगा, उसका टेस्ट लिया, उसने स्वाद लिया. टू द थॉटफुल सन इट वॉज द सेम फाइन शेक, इट वॉज द सेम फाइन शेक. ये वही शेक था, फाइन शेक, वही सुंदर, अच्छा, डिलीशियस फाइन शेक था, डिलीशियस शेक था. अगेन इट वॉज गिविंग द टेस्ट ऑफ डिलीशियस शेक. टू द थॉटफुल सन, उस बच्चे के लिए, दैट वॉज ऑनेस्ट बॉय, thoughtful boy, I told you earlier, the magic waterfall gave the delicious shake. You can say once again, that waterfall gave the taste of delicious shake once again for that honest boy, for that thoughtful boy. To everyone else it gave only cold water, but all the people who had come there to taste that waterfall, to fetch that water from that waterfall, so it was giving, that waterfall was giving the taste of cold water only. But to that thoughtful son, to that honest son, honest boy, the waterfall was giving the taste of fine shake. Now paragraph number 13, page 34. Open this page. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. He sent for the young woodcutter and rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. This, said the emperor, was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. Now, paragraph number 13, explanation. The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. Now you can say कि again when Taro tasted that water from waterfall, means that shake from waterfall, he would again fill that shake into his pitcher and brought it to home. फिर से ले आया होगा भरकर, फिर से उसने सारे विलेजर्स को वो कहानी बताई होगी, सबको सुनाई होगी कि that waterfall is giving the shake, और धीरे धीरे करके ये चीज़ें फेमस होती गई. So now, in the story it is told that story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the Emperor of Japan. Now this story is related to Japan. So slowly, one day, the story of Taro and his waterfall, magic waterfall, reached to the Emperor of Japan. एक दिन ये कहानी धीरे धीरे तारो की और उसके मैजिक वाटरफॉल की कहानी धीरे धीरे जापान के सम्राट तक पहुंच गई. He sent for the young woodcutter. He sent, emperor sent for means called, बुलाया. Emperor called the woodcutter, young woodcutter. उस छोटे woodcutter को, उस नौजवान woodcutter को emperor ने अपने दरबार में बुलाया. He called in his court, दरबार में बुलाया. And rewarded him for 20 pieces of gold. And rewarded means awarded, rewarded, पुरस्कृत किया. और उसे पुरस्कृत किया, तारो को पुरस्कृत किया with 20 pieces of gold coins. 20 सोने के सिक्कों के साथ उसने सम्राट ने तारो को पुरस्कृत किया. For having been so good and kind, because Taro was so good, बहुत अच्छा व्यक्ति था, ऑनेस्ट था, and kind, दयालु था. उसके दयालुता और अच्छाई के लिए पुरस्कृत किया गया. Then he named, he means emperor. Then emperor named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. And after that, emperor took one more decision that the name of that waterfall was put after Taro. तारो के नाम पर उस वाटरफॉल का, जो खूबसूरत वाटरफॉल था उस सिटी में, उस वाटरफॉल का नाम तारो के नाम पर रखा गया, तारो वाटरफॉल. This said the emperor. Now emperor said about after it and about it, इसके बारे में, इसके बाद emperor ने क्या कहा कि was to encourage. This was done, ये इसलिए किया गया है, या this is done, ये इसलिए किया गया है to encourage all the children. Encourage, प्रोत्साहित करना. To encourage all the children, to give the lesson to all the children. सीख देने के लिए, सारे बच्चों को encourage करने के लिए ऐसा किया गया है. To honor, ताकि वो सम्मान दें, एंड ओबे, और आज्ञा का पालन करें, रेस्पेक्ट करें एंड ओबे करें, आज्ञा का पालन करें, फॉलो करें दियर पेरेंट्स, अपने माता पिता को, ताकि वो अपने माता पिता का सम्मान करें और माता पिता की आज्ञा का पालन करें. राइट. सो नाउ द चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड, तारोज रिवार्ड, एंड सम क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन हियर. सो वी विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर in the next class. Okay, thank you class.